Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements: a 64-bit OS, 8 GB of RAM minimum, and a GPU with at least 4 GB of RAM so performance won't bottleneck. Next, secure your license key, payment method, and the account email you'll use to register. Then download the Matterspark 4 installer and verify its checksum. This prevents corrupted installs. Once done, disable antivirus only if it blocks the installer. Reactivate it after installation. This gets you into setup immediately, not stuck in preparation. You run the installer as administrator to avoid permission errors, and choose Custom Install so you control plugin selection and install path. After files are in place, activate Matterspark 4 using your license key and link your account to sync cloud assets and preferences. This keeps projects portable. Then configure GPU acceleration, set memory limits, and select a default project template to speed future work. Make sure to install recommended plugins now, otherwise, you'll interrupt workflows later. This is the core setup that enables full functionality. You finish by opening a test project, updating GPU drivers, and applying any Matterspark 4 patches to ensure stability. Then set backups and enable autosave, and export a small test build to confirm end-to-end function. If something goes wrong, collect crash logs and reproduce the error. Next, reset preferences to defaults and reinstall plugins selectively to isolate conflicts. Make sure to check GPU driver compatibility and rollback if a new driver causes instability. This single troubleshooting step often resolves crashes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.